When planning the design, retrofit, and/or construction of elevator cabs, the selection of cab panel materials is critical to appearance, function, and maintenance. There are many materials to choose from: glass, wood, metal mesh, painted metal, vinyl laminate, textiles, and many more. Let's explore why engineered stainless steel surfaces are an excellent choice for elevator cabs. Stainless steel is a great choice for elevator cabs. First and foremost, it is durable and attractive. It is also hygienic and easy to clean with mild detergents. It resists surface corrosion and is available in colors. Unlike many other materials, stainless steel is 100% recyclable and is made from over 60% recycled content. Stainless steel is non-toxic and is an approved material by the National Sanitation Foundation. Unlike other painted surfaces, it requires no surface coatings and gives off no VOC emissions. A critical component of the sustainability story is that stainless steel has a very long product life cycle, which is critical for elevator cabs. So what is an engineered stainless steel surface? It is stainless steel that surface has been physically enhanced to add strength and durability, as well as texture to hide scratches, dents, and dings. In addition to the aesthetic appeal that deep texturing provides, the durability of these materials helps reduce maintenance costs, ultimately saving time, resources, and money. The increase in durability of textured metals makes them an ideal choice for applications in common high-traffic elevator cab applications, such as airports, community centers, transit stations, offices, parking garages, and other high-traffic public buildings. While the tops of the textured characters are being scratched, the textured pattern hides their appearance. This attribute alone can be the deciding feature for selecting deep textured stainless steel for elevator cab interiors. There are many deep textured patterns to choose from, and they can be mixed and matched with other materials such as wood, glass, or vinyl laminate to create an interesting and attractive look that still performs well against the wear and tear associated with high traffic applications. Engineered stainless steel surfaces are also available in more subtle microtextures. Deep texture and microtexture can be combined to create unique and attractive stainless steel surfaces. There are several options for colored stainless steel. Titanium nitride and light interference coloring are hard, inert, thin, and transparent molecular coatings. Titanium nitride and light interference coloring coatings are available in golds, bronzes, blues, and blacks, and can be provided in mirror, satin, non-directional, bead blast, and 2B finishes. They can also be deep textured. Powder coatings are extremely durable, electronically charged, and baked on polyurethane enamels. Powder coating colors include RAL colors, transparencies, and special textured finishes. Both powder coated and colored stainless can be textured and highlighted, which provides a unique visual effect. Additionally, the highlighting process provides protection of the powder coat and color, as the color resides only in the recesses of the pattern, exposing it to less damage. Lightweight panels for elevator cabs provide designers, architects, consultants, and cab retrofitters with the flexibility and performance necessary for all types of elevator cabs. The panels are Class A fire rated. They are lightweight and durable, constructed of aluminum alloy honeycomb and pre-treated aluminum skins. Custom cutouts and several core and skin options are also available. Deep textured stainless steel handrails are also available. They are the perfect handrail for high traffic elevator cabs. Not only are they attractive, they are extremely durable and hide scratches, dents, and dings. They are available in standard 1.25 inch and 1.5 inch diameters. Please don't hesitate to contact us with your questions and ideas. We can assist you with guidance on material and pattern selection, samples, specifications, and other technical information. Rigidized Metals Corporation was founded in 1940 as Rigitex Corporation. We are the world leader in the development and production of engineered metal surfaces. Our first applications were industrial focused, but soon after served architectural, industrial, marine, and transportation applications. We have proudly served the elevator industry from our humble beginnings. Visit us at rigidized.com to see our full breadth of products and projects.